Alrighty, here's this 42-inch Murray Feist ceiling fan. I've also been told it's Halsey. It has a OEM. Feel free to correct me, just about this fan, but I've already been told it's Murray Feist. And it's an antique brass finish, and it's at least made in the late 1980s. And it's a really neat looking fan. I like the looks on it. I'll show you the close up. There's the detachable switch housing, and the G vents, and the motor. And I really like the looks of the motor, and when I have it on, how do I say it? It's just the way it spins. It just goes. It's got like a long spin down. But yeah. There's the canopy and the down rod. This thing came with everything too, and it came with his own mounting bracket. And it's got 4 stencil blades. There you go. You can see the stencil, which I really like that stencil blades. And the other side is just plain oak. So yeah. Anyway, we'll go ahead and start it with low. Oops. Oh, there we go. Alright. Here's medium. I think while I'm doing that, I'm going to turn off the ampersand. I actually may turn it on low. Well, this one's running. I can hear some noise coming from the motor. Probably some bearings, I don't know what it is, but it's not that loud, but I can hear the motor. But it's moving a nice little breeze. Okay. And here's high. It does wobble because the blades are unbalanced. And I'll try to balance them back if I can. I just don't want to ruin the blades. It's not terrible wobble, but it just did wobble. There's no... Well, you can kind of hear the noise from on top. But it does move a good decent amount of air. And I'll show you the airflow. And yeah, the blades starting to look a little flimsy, but oh well. Oops. Okay. Now power off and we'll watch the spin down. Oops. And it's got a long spin down too. Oops. Still going. To me, I think that motor is just nice and smooth. I mean, that's why, that's why it's spinning down so long. So, the way I can describe it, but yeah. Not sure how long my video is going to last, but that's okay. It's getting close to stop. Alright, there you have it, folks. There's your 42-inch Memory Vice ceiling fan. And hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.